22nd. What is the day? 22nd. It is Monday, the 22nd of March. And I thought that I would do a day in a week vlog. This week is very busy, and as you can see from my eyes, I am already tired. So basically I have 2 shoots this week. Friday is a 1-day shoot where I'm shooting a performance. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I am helping my friend Devangana out on her thesis film. I'm acting for it. Alongside this, I am also currently doing sound design for a web series that we worked on in October. I'm very sleepy because I've been waking up at 8:30 in the morning, and I'm not a morning person, and I know 8:30 is not really morning, but like I get tired very quickly, easily. I need my 10 hours. Today, the day looks like this. I have woken up. I have had a call with my director, Debangana, who's also my friend and also was my roommate, flatmate when I was in college. Now I'm going to go upstairs and start my edit. Post lunch, I have to go to the equipment rental place to look at the equipment that we need for the shoot on Friday. After the rentals, I'll come back. I'll do my dance and my workout. That is the plan for the day. Edit. Come. Lovely angle, I know. And quick tip, if any of you are editing for multiple hours, keep snacks.
We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop.
I fell asleep. Oh, I have to rush now.
A wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how
I'm done. Oh my god, that piece is like firepower. It's so fast, it's ridiculous. I didn't record at the rental place, I forgot. I remembered only on the way. You can see the brand of the wine that... Come, let's go. Now I'm going to go for a very well-deserved bath. Other YouTubers show you shots of showers opening and then water dropping, and then, you know, you insinuate the fact that you're going to have a bath. I'm going to do this. I hope you're also feeling as fresh as I am as I do this. I'm gonna make my to-do list now, which is supposed to be on my phone, so I need it, so I can't record it. But I'm just informing you that I do it, because, you know, if it's not in the vlog, then did it really happen? And I'm gonna read my script once again, then I will go to sleep, and I will see you tomorrow for a shoot day, which might be fun for you to see. So, good night. Let's do this. Let's do this intro. If I remember to do it tomorrow morning, then fab. If I don't, then this is a joke. Okay, bye.
In my world, I don't worry, darling, I just smile.
Our director is trying to make the flowers fall. She wants to kick the tree, but the tree is seeming big. Director is seeming small. Oh, she's going to chuck. That's a terrible idea.
She gave up. Look at uncle in front. Look at uncle. Uncle's just like, what the fuck?
Even his t-shirt is like, what the fuck? I'm trying to tell the vlog that we're trying to
Locate the Amazon dude.
we're trying to locate the Amazon dude because he has the PPE suit that madam needs to wear.
That's right.
Director?
Hello vlog. Sorry. Love you. Vlog. Director.
Camera rolling. And action.
Content. Cut.
I got back in at 5:30, and since then I just have not had the energy. I tried dancing right now. Oh my god, no way. My body is falling apart. And also my PMS is coming. I can feel it. So I'm just extra tired, which happens when I'm PMSing and I want to eat everything. Like I'm really craving fries. It's just a thought, and it's a thought I've had for a very, very long time. Think about it just for a moment. Imagine a world where women were put first. Periods and the emotional upheavals and the bodily changes and everything that happens during PMS and periods would be normal. The world would change based on that. Like at its base, the world would change if it was like that. Just a thought. I feel like you're just cutting from one lying down shot to another lying down shot. I'm lying down. I had my fries. I was very happy. Tomorrow call time is 12. So I have to leave home by 11. Oh shit, I forgot to do that transition. Okay, we'll try it once again and we'll try to remember to do this transition tomorrow, okay? So now, good night. Bye. See you tomorrow morning.
Fire, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Would just like to draw attention to this poem that Devangana Kundu had written when she was 13. They say they know me every well.
I don't understand.
They've seen me since I was born. But I tell you. Today we are doing a very dangerous scene. Here's the director. She's very stressed out. Because we have to make a party chapter fall. Paint me like one of your French girls.
So I will put the thing. I'll put.
She's putting party chapter into water. Money dirty water.
Okay, I'm gonna put it. It's really difficult for. Yeah.
Oh.
Camera. Rolling. And action. Cut.
के जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है.
Malvika's a real mom. Do you have anything to say? Where's the Champagne, bro? Break out the
Champagne prediction. I am going to sleep now. Good night. I will see you tomorrow on our shoot. That's all. This man is back in my vlogs.
Of course.
I don't know when he'll leave.
You know that you're gonna get more views on this vlog just because I'm in it.
Please don't say rubbish just because the camera came on. We're already happy because this bag is amazing.
What an epic bag.
We've had three cameras, 3 lenses, all our batteries, a recorder, all come into this bag. Careful, don't push. Just, yes, nudge.
Nice. That's what she said.
Yes, sir. I forgot to vlog one day. How will I vlog while I'm shooting? We're done with shoot Bonham.
Yeah.
Now the most important part.
Copying footage.
Copying footage. It went off well, I think. Thumbs up. I am back from a shoot and I'm exhausted. I'm just so happy I got through these 5 days. I don't feel like moving around with the camera anymore. I'm very tired and sleepy. Good night. Let's see if you remember this. Good morning. Ooh. Those are the first words I have said today. Yeah. Right now I'm getting ready to go to dance class. You can't see my dark circles here for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, now I look like a sanskari bahu. Now I will go and eat breakfast. Making mango milkshake. You see it? Yeah, you can see it. I still look like a mess. I'm chilling. After lunch, I'll start work on the sound design stuff. I have to make an invoice for the project that I just completed. Yeah. It is multiple hours later, and I'm eating apples and peanut butter. That's all. Good night, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow. Last day. Last day that we spent together. Let's get it right now. Okay, bye. Oh, that took time. Good morning. That is a stain of mango milkshake that I had yesterday. So, anyway, as I have dance class at 2:30, it's 1 o'clock. My family is coming home for dinner and they're staying over.
Yay! Thank you, Bacha. I love you all.
I really enjoyed making this vlog for all of you. So I hope you really enjoyed. Point is that I'm very happy that you watched. If you watched up till here, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for supporting me. All your messages and all your DMs and all your comments, even if it's below 5, the number that I get, I'm extremely grateful and extremely happy that someone finds something good about this. I will see you next Sunday with another video. Bye for now. And by the way, we got the transition. Bye.